Why Corsair Vengeance 32GB 3600MHz RAM is the ultimate upgrade for gamers. Feeling your PC drag at the worst possible moment? Laggy games, slow rendering, or apps freezing mid-task can make your workflow feel like a nightmare. Drop a comment if this hits home. You're not alone. So many users face these issues daily. But a smart hardware upgrade can turn that frustration into lightning-fast responsiveness. Struggling to keep your system smooth while juggling multiple applications? Constant interruptions, slow load times, and stuttering can make even routine tasks feel exhausting. Imagine a solution that restores control and stability, letting you run games, streams, and creative projects simultaneously without stress. A single, smart memory upgrade could completely change your computing experience. Meet the Corsair Vengeance DDR4 32GB 3600MHz RAM, designed to redefine speed, stability, and multitasking for modern PCs. This dual-channel kit comes with two 16GB modules, perfect for gaming, streaming, and heavy productivity workloads. Its 3600 MHz frequency and CL18 latency deliver lightning-fast responsiveness while maintaining stability under load. The anodized aluminum heat spreader ensures efficient thermal management during intensive sessions, preventing throttling even in long gaming marathons or extended render jobs. With XMP 2.0 support, setup is a one-click process in compatible Intel and AMD motherboards, unlocking maximum performance immediately. The low-profile design fits easily under large air coolers, and its custom performance PCB optimizes signal quality for consistent operation. Key features include dual-channel 32GB capacity, 3600 MHz high-speed performance, CL18 latency, XMP 2.0 ready for hassle-free overclocking, broad Intel and AMD motherboard compatibility, low-profile heat spreader, aluminum construction for thermal stability, and reliable multitasking performance. Users report smoother frame per second in demanding games, faster render times, and seamless switching between apps. Bonus tip: enabling XMP often unleashes the full potential without manual tweaking. Why Corsair Vengeance 32GB 3600MHz RAM is a game-changer. Speed, efficiency, and reliability combine to elevate your system. Professionals, influencers, and users all confirm its transformative impact. One hardware reviewer said, "Thermal stability and XMP compatibility make this kit perfect for extended gaming and heavy workloads." Influencers praise its multitasking performance, running OBS, games, and creative software simultaneously with zero slowdowns. Analysts note that this memory offers exceptional cost-to-performance value compared to boutique options or DDR5, delivering high capacity and low latency for demanding users. Users share many stories. A gamer eliminated stutter in open-world titles, a video editor cut render times by half, and a streamer seamlessly handled multiple applications without lag. The low-profile heat spreader and custom PCB provide thermal management, even during marathon sessions, while the XMP 2.0 profile ensures hassle-free setup on both Intel and AMD platforms. Broad motherboard compatibility and dual 16GB modules make it ideal for gaming rigs, content creation, and professional workflows. Which feature would transform your daily experience? Speed, capacity, or stability? Comment below and join thousands of users experiencing smoother, faster, and more reliable performance. Corsair Vengeance is more than memory. It's the upgrade your PC deserves. Upgrade your system today with Corsair Vengeance 32GB 3600MHz RAM and unlock incredible performance, stability, and speed. Users across gaming, streaming, and content creation report tangible improvements in frame per second, render times, and multitasking efficiency. Click now to experience smoother workflows and fully responsive applications, and discover the secret XMP tip that maximizes your RAM's potential. Whether building a new rig or enhancing your current setup, this dual-channel kit is designed to elevate your computing experience. Comment: Yes, if you want to see the performance difference instantly.